Good morning, guys. Lillian with Lily Ray's Collection here today with my art box from Sketchbox. I received it yesterday and I want to do a project with it today. So this is the artist that they're featuring today, which is Ashley Nagel. She's on Instagram as has aim black, whatever that means. This is her art. So let me just show you the products that came in the box, which I've already used. I use these on this is a fine liner graphics, and they come in 0.248 and a brush nib, and these are fantastic. So this is what it is. I'm going to be using those today. This is a clean color dot, and you can do shading with this. I'll show you that. Here is a medium brush tip, and the color is indigo. This is a flat shader, and it's by Silver Silk, and it is a square 4 brush. This is what I'm going to use to sketch out my piece today. And this is Staedtler, and it is 12B, which I believe is a soft lead. And then Winsor & Newton ink, and it's white. So we have this one. That's good for the highlights. And then we have some black ink right here by Kritaki. The brush is also by Kritaki, and then they send you this. I don't know if this is a sticker because I can't ever kind of peel this, so I just take some glue and stick it on wherever I want it. I think that's it. And then here, of course, they give you the breakdown of each item and what it costs. I think it's totally worth getting the Sketchbox. And this Sketchbox is for the month of October. I also got which I used, the Copic drawing pen. Where did I put my drawing pen? Which I need. Oh, I think I put it in here. Let's see, I keep my pencils in here. So this is the Copic drawing pen. It's F2, and these are disposable. They are not refillable, which is a shame. So I'm going to see if with this, once this runs out, I'm going to see if I dip it in that ink, if I can continue to use it. So with that said, making sure I have all of the products. Yeah, I think so. We're going to get started. And when I draw this, I'm going to put you on, time lapse, because of course it's going to take a minute to draw. I'll be drawing some hair today. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust my camera here. Okay, I think that's good right there. Okay. So, let's get started. I think I'm going to use my sketchbook. And I always like to flip through before I start. These are all of my sketches that I've colored in with either gouache. These are pastel pencils. This is pastel. Watercolor pencils, pastels, gouache. This is gouache. This is watercolor. I believe that this is watercolor, and this is watercolor. Watercolor. This was from the Sketchbox in September, and that's me using their supplies. This is, I think, Prismacolor pencils with watercolor. This is watercolor with Prismacolor pencils. Look, Sketchbox. Isn't that cute? This is my distorted art. Distorted art again with my watercolor pencils. I think this was Caran d'Ache. I think this one was Caran d'Ache as well. And then this one was used with I did the Jane Davenport Mermaid markers. And this is the latest. I also put on here Sketchbox and Lily Rays, which is me. Party on. I thought it came out kind of cute. Alright, and with that said, I'm going to put you on time-lapse, and I will be back. Alright guys, here is our finished product. I used the items from the Sketchbox for the month of October. This is the art that came in the box. I used the blue pencil to sketch it out. And this I love. This is clean color dot. You can make dots with it, or you can just do the shadow with it, or highlight any area that you want with it. Just know that it's gray, and it's water based, so you can add water and you can make it as light as you want. So with that said, I am going to put on here, because I use these Sketchbox items, I'm going to go ahead and write on here, if it writes, because remember I use crayons. And then down here, I'm going to put my signature. There you have it. Well guys, thank you very much for joining me. This is also the Sketchbox. Thank you very much for joining me today. I had a great time with you today, and I will see you back tomorrow. Take care.